listening and practice.
Serendipitous Hearts. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, lived two souls named Lily and Aidan. Their paths had never crossed, until one fateful day when destiny decided to intertwine their lives in the most unexpected way. Lily was an artist with an ethereal spirit. She painted with colors that seemed to have stolen the hues of the setting sun and the whispering breeze. Aidan, on the other hand, was a writer whose words carried the weight of emotions, capable of turning even the simplest phrases into profound expressions of the heart. It was at a local art exhibition that their eyes first met. Aidan, drawn by the vivid strokes of Lily's paintings, found himself captivated by the stories they seemed to tell. And Lily, as if under a spell, couldn't help but linger at Aidan's display, where his eloquent words painted pictures of emotions she had often felt but never quite put into words. Their connection was instant, like a chord struck in perfect harmony. Aidan approached Lily, his heart pounding like the rhythm of an unwritten love song. He complimented her art, and she blushed, thanking him with a smile that lit up the room. As the days turned into weeks, Lily and Aidan found themselves meeting at local cafes, sharing stories and dreams. With each conversation, their souls danced a little closer, and a beautiful friendship blossomed. They wandered through the town's cobbled streets, discovering hidden gardens and secret paths, each moment deepening their connection. One evening, beneath a canvas of stars, they shared their deepest fears and vulnerabilities. Aidan confessed his fear of never finding words beautiful enough, while Lily worried that her art might never truly touch others. In that moment, they realized how much they mirrored each other's souls, completing the sentences their hearts had been whispering all along. Their love story unfolded like a symphony, a blend of colors and words that painted their journey. Aidan would write heartfelt letters, and Lily would respond with intricate sketches, their expressions of love becoming a canvas of their shared feelings. However, like any love story, challenges arose. Aidan received an offer to move to the city for a prestigious writing position, while Lily was faced with the opportunity to showcase her art in a renowned gallery. The looming decisions threatened to pull them apart, the fear of losing each other becoming an unspoken ache. In a moment of uncertainty, they found themselves back at the place where it all began, the art exhibition. Surrounded by Lily's paintings and Aidan's words, they realized that their love was as vibrant and unique as the art they had created together. With determination and a renewed commitment, Lily and Aidan decided to pursue their dreams while keeping their love alive. Aidan would write about the beauty of their hometown and the serendipity of their love story, and Lily would paint the emotions they shared, turning them into visual poetry. And so, their love story became a tale of inspiration, a testament to the power of love that transcends time and distance. Lily and Aidan proved that even when separated by miles, their hearts remained intertwined, connected by the strokes of a paintbrush and the strokes of a pen. Years later, their love story continued to inspire others who visited the local art exhibition. People marveled at the vibrant paintings and heartfelt words that adorned the walls, each piece telling the story of Lily and Aidan, two souls who turned life into art and art into a love that painted the canvas of their lives with the hues of eternity.